So see, when it comes to building a business, the first things you need, that's called courage and the mindset. ये जो entrepreneurship का journey है ना, this is less about the skill set, more about your mindset. So पहले तो mindset ठीक करना है. You have to get clarity on what you want to do.
Okay.
ठीक है. And the next thing is required, that is what I feel, that if you're asking, like, ask yourself what you like to do. Like for me, I love to write rather than creating videos. So blog likho. If writing you love to do, write blog, start with that. But somehow showcase this world that you have something to share with them. Right? Somehow you have to reach to them. It can be creating videos, it can be through the writing, it can be through some other format. If you're someone, you draw so well, show the drawing, how you're drawing, which all other color shade you must mix up. If you're a chef, you do excellent cooking, but you are afraid to showcase your face, don't show your face. Just cook and show from only your hands, and you're cooking, you're cutting vegetables, and your voice is enough, right? जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है वही करो, खुद को पूछ के करो, ठीक है?
Yes.
Find out your क्या है ना, हम सबका ना एक मीठा पॉइंट कुछ होता है जिसमें हम लोग बहुत परफेक्ट होता है, तो उसको पहले ढूंढ लो, उसको पहले ढूंढ लो, खुद को पूछो. Actually, no one thing, Rajan, our education system is absolutely broken. ये तो हमें बहुत थ्योरी दे देता है, लेकिन जो what is important, they don't teach us. How to know ourselves, they don't teach us. But they do teach us how to compete with others. That's not required something.
Yeah.
Through that marks-based system, they're making us competitor. They're giving us anxiety. But ये नहीं, कोई भी नहीं बोलता है कि खुद क्या चाहते हो, क्या पसंद है आपका, कोई भी नहीं पूछता है. तो जब वो दिन आ जाएगा ना, आपको खुद को पता चल जाएगा कि what you like to do, what you love to do, that's the day you will start changing the world, not only you.
आपने जैसी जर्नी बताया, I was just feeling the same कि यार मैं भी वैसी जर्नी से आया हूँ. मैं अगर अपनी स्कूल्स में वो सारी चीजें सीख पाता कि यार this is something you need to learn, you need to have a skill to develop yourself, you need to develop first that skill so that you can grow in your life. Nobody teaches that. You should learn something and you have to evolve yourself to become best in your life. You have to evolve yourself to be you. Because क्या होता है ना, जब हम स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं सिखाया जाता है कि तुम्हें टॉप आना है, तुम्हें गुड मार्क्स लाने हैं, बट क्यों लाना है कोई किसी को नहीं पता, कोई नहीं बताता हमें. अगर मुझे मैथ सीखनी है ना, मुझे मैथ क्यों सीखना है, कोई नहीं बताता हमें ये चीज सीखना है, क्यों सीखना है, कोई नहीं बताता. वे बोलते हैं कि बस आपको बेस्ट होना है, आपको बहुत अच्छा एक्सपर्ट बनना है इसमें, बट क्या करना है उसका. अगर मुझे अच्छा लगता है खेलना, मैं क्यों खेलूं नहीं. वो बोलते नहीं, तुम्हें पहले पढ़ना है, तुम्हें करना है. वो पहले ना, जैसे आज से 200 साल पहले जब अंग्रेज हुआ करते थे, तो उनका माइंडसेट था कि इनको ऐसा ज्ञान दे दो कि ये बस जॉब करे. इनका माइंडसेट ही वही हो जाए. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी फील लाइक द सेम. एंड दूसरी चीज ये प्रॉब्लम थी हमारी कि सबसे पहले हमारे पास बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं होती थी मार्केट में, हम उतने सारे चीजों के बारे में नहीं जानते थे. सो एक ही ऑप्शन बचता था, वो गवर्नमेंट जॉब. Nowadays we have lots of opportunities in the market, but no one is there to guide us, to tell us, and that's why we need lots of coaches who can transform the life of people. And you are one of the best teachers. जब हम बात करते हैं बिजनेस की, तो उसका एक पोर्शन होता है कि पैसा हमें we have to earn to serve people, right? So आपने पहले मंथ में how was your revenue, and nowadays how much you are making?
So for me, see, it is the first thing is that when you add value to people's life, they add value to your bank balance. Okay? वो पहले दिमाग में रख लो. Like your business, yes, of course, if your business is not making money, it's not business, is merely self-employed. I understand that. But money जो होता है ना, money, name, fame, these all are the byproduct of what you do and how you do. Please understand it पहले. ठीक है? तो पहले किसी के लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड करो. आप ये सोचो कि आप क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हो किसी का. जब like the time you can solve all this issue, the things, money will come as a byproduct. Okay? So if you're asking for me, the first month it was 50,000 rupees, and right now it is 7 figure per month.
Wow. This is really great. Now, so you have covered in this 2 year, right?
Is 2.5 years. Like, if you're asking exactly, it is right now 30 months.
Wow. So now you are making all of these things just because of your skill. So understand, yeah, because if we focus on skill, we can do anything. We can transform people's life. We can add value to the society. We can give so many things and so much to the people, right? So if we are focused on only the job, or job is although good if you are happy in it, but if you want to do something, if you want to transform people's life, if you want to contribute in the society or in a country's growth, then you have to work upon it, and you have to learn a skill that is going to transform your life and other people's life.